Okay, this plant bacteriology വരികയാണെങ്കിൽ ബാക്ടീരിയോളജിയിൽ നമുക്ക് ബാക്ടീരിയ ഞാൻ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞു യൂണിസെല്ലുലാർ മൈക്രോസ്കോപ്പിക് ആൻഡ് പ്രൊക്കാരിയോട്സ് ആണ് മെയിൻലി റീപ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ബൈ ഫിഷൻ എവറി 20 മിനിറ്റ്സിൽ 2 ബാക്ടീരിയ എന്നുള്ള രീതിയിലാണ് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് ഓൺലി വാൻ ഹോക്ക് ആണ് അതിൻ്റെ ഒരു കോൺട്രിബ്യൂഷൻസ് ഫസ്റ്റ് ടൈം ഡിസ്കവേർഡ്. ആൻഡ് പ്ലാന്റ് ഡിസീസിൻ്റെ കേസിൽ റിമെമ്പർ TJ Burrill ആൻഡ് എർവിൻ ഫ്രങ്ക് സ്മിത്ത് EM സ്മിത്ത്. ഓക്കെ, ടൈപ്പ് ഓഫ് ബാക്ടീരിയ ഒരു ക്ലാസിഫിക്കേഷൻ നേരത്തെ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു. കോക്കസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത് സ്പെറിക്കൽ ഷേപ്പാണ്, ബാസിലസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത് റോഡ് ഷേപ്പാണ്, സ്പൈറലിയം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത് സ്ക്രൂ ഷേപ്പ്ഡാണ്. ഓക്കെ, ദേ ആർ ദ മെയിൻ ഷേപ്പ് ഓഫ് ബാക്ടീരിയ ആൻഡ് along with the rod shaped bacteria, when we classify the position of a number of flagella. Without flagella, that is Xylella species, they are having atrichus. It's known as atrichus. Monotrichus, generally majority of the Xanthomonas are having monotrichus in nature, single flagellum at one, any of the end. Cephalotrichus means it is several numerous flagella at one pole. Pseudomonas fluorescens is having tufted flagella at one pole, that is known as cephalotrichus. Then coming to this amphitrichus, if you take an amphitrichus, they are at least one flagellum at each pole, at least one flagellum each pole, Pseudomonas species. When it is coming peritrichus flagella, you can see in any portion of the surface. Erwinia is the best example for peritrichus flagellations. Lophotrichus, if you consider, they are 2 or more flagella at both the poles of the bacteria. Okay, both the poles. So that is known as Lophotrichus. So that is what, at least remember about the gram staining, how the gram positive and gram negative, what are all the chemicals in gram positive and gram negative, just remember it, just see that one. Okay, then coming to the structural component, typical prokaryotic cells, flagellar type will be there, and flagellar movement. Okay, that is why they are moving. So this flagellar types are there, that is different in case of both the gram positive and gram negative. In that much depth it will not be there. At least remember flagella, pili, they are short, fine, less than the flagellar length. Okay, they are made up of flagella, made up of protein, flagellin. Here it is pili, it's made up of pyrin proteins. Okay, they are having gram negative having most of this flagella, pili. Then capsule, they are the outermost layer of the bacterial cell is capsule, and they are slimy, little bit gummy or slimy substances can stick or in the surface and all capsule. Okay, cell wall, I already told that that is the peptidoglycan cell wall, that is N-acetyl, Naga and Nama. You remember peptidoglycan, it's whenever they will be there, it is NAG. Okay, Naga, N-acetyl glucosamine, Nama or Nam, N-acetyl muramic acid with the beta-1,4. Naga Nama with the beta-1,4 is peptidoglycan. Okay, remember like that at least. Gram positive bacteria contain more peptidoglycan, 50% or more, than gram negative. They have only 10% peptidoglycan. Okay, with respect to the dry weight of bacteria, 10%. 50% by peptidoglycan in case of gram positive bacteria. Gram negative, bit less of peptidoglycan. Okay, that is what in case of bacteria and all. Then coming to cell wall content, another thing is not important much. Reproduction in bacteria, they are mainly reproduced by means of binary fission. Remember binary fission in each 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes. Then other than 20 unfavorable condition, I divide 20 minutes is the one. Endospore, unique to bacteria, that is rarely produced by this plant pathogenic bacteria. Plant pathogenic bacteria with endospore production is very, very, very less. No, nothing will be there. But still, there are bacteria, Bacillus, Clostridium. Bacilla is also act as a biocontrol agents and all. So, in that cases, we have endospore inside. Okay, that is what. Then the reproduction or the variability in case of bacteria is by means of conjugations. You know that conjugation, transformation, transduction, that you just see it, that is from it is basic knowledge, cluster knowledge. So I am not telling again this one, but that is also important. Transformation, transduction and transformation, transduction, and generally people know these things also, conjugation, through conjugation. Classification of bacteria, I think that much is not important for the people. Some bacteria, agrobacterium tumefaciens, they are gram negative. Specialty of this agrobacterium, they are the one which cause making crown gall disease. Okay, agrobacterium. It contain T plasmid or Ti plasmid, tumor inducing plasmid. Okay, tumor inducing plasmid it contain. So those things you have to remember. Transfer DNA is there. It is having IA and IA transfer. Why these galls are forming? It contain hormone in the region for the hormone production or induction. That is IA region. Okay, that is cytokinin, auxin producing regions and all. Okay, right. Corynebacterium is there. Okay, Pandoia is there. Erwinia is there. Some of the very important diseases of Erwinia carotivora, that is potato black leg disease, Erwinia carotivora, Petroseptica. Erwinia ameilovora, the first disease, fire blight of apple, and Erwinia ameilovora. Erwinia stewardii, now the name changed to Pandoia stewardii in case of Stewart wilt of this one. Apple, peach, pear and all. Okay, sorry, ameilovora, apple, pear and all. Stewardii is in case of corn, sweet corn, maize and all. Trachyphylla, it is very common in nowadays, that is cucumber bacterial wilt is caused by Erwinia trachyphylla. Okay, that is carried by a vector, it's known as Diaberotica undersympagnata and Acalima vittata, spotted and striped cucumber beetle. They are transferring this one. Okay. Then Pseudomonas, earlier Ralstonia burkholderia, they are known as Pseudomonas, now they are separated. Okay. Pseudomonas or Ralstonia solanacearum. Majority of the bacteria wilt by Ralstonia solanacearum. Right. Xanthomonas, you know that plenty of diseases, Xanthomonas. Generally yellow colony they are producing, gram negative ana, yellow colony ana. Even in yellow colors, you can see in the culture made in case of rice, Xanthomonas or Ricin or Rizicola, in case of streak, campestris, that is black rot of crucifers, Malvacearum. This is XC means Xanthomonas campestris. Now somehow it changed into Xanthomonas axonopodis. Both options are there, you just note the axonopodis. Xanthomonas axonopodis, Malvacearum. Zam, that is Blackum or Angulalis potocotta. Vesicatoria in case of tomato. Okay, Albilensis axonopodis is their citrus canker. Xanthomonas axonopodis, Pathrovor axonopodis. They are citrus canker causing. So that is the case. Then another one is Streptomyces. They are gram-positive bacteria. Still now we discussed about the gram-negative one. This is gram-positive one, and they are at least they are having some aerial myceliums, fungal-like myceliums will be there, but they are related to bacteria only, and it is causing diseases like Streptomyces cabis. Okay, otherwise Streptomyces hypomea, pox of seed potato or scab of potato, that is Streptomyces cabis. And major symptoms of bacterial diseases, at least leaf spot symptoms are there, and you know that majority of the leaf spot, it's by Xanthomonas. Leaf blight symptoms are there, BLB or bacterial blight of beans and all, bacterial blight of cotton and all, they are all causing blight, complete blights and all. Soft rot, Erwinia is the one bacteria which causing soft rot. Canker, citrus canker, that is Xanthomonas axonopodis pathova, citri and all. Okay, that is the thing. Then scab, potato scab I told already, galls will be there, agrobacterium tumefaciens and all. Wilt causing fungus is this one, Ralstonia solanacearum. Ralstonia, major solanaceous crops wilt is by Ralstonia. Even they are causing wilt to do the spice crop, ginger, even in case of pepper and all. Okay. Bacterial wilt in cucumber I already told, they are Trachyphylla. Okay, Trachyphylla. Right. There are toxins produced by this bacteria. There's fire blight of apple, amylovorin, bacterial spot in case of fruit crops, Pseudomonas syringae, Pathava syringae, Syringamycin, wildfire tobacco, that is caused to this one, wildfire of tobacco, wiltalla, wildfire of tobacco. ഇവിടെ തെറ്റാണ് എഴുതിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ടാപ് ടോക്സിൻ. Hypertrophy, hyperplasia is the symptom which produced by agrobacterium. That is because of the tDNA part, that is IA and auxin regions. Role of insect dispersal in case of bacteria, I told already. You just remember about some of the important diseases like this one. Important diseases, grassy shoot of sugarcane, that is aphids. Coconut kadang, it is plant hopper, it is discovered like that, but there are other means like plasmodesmata, I mean in the sense mechanical transmissions and all, right? Then coming to the plant virology, in that I already told about that. You have to remember these are the scientists, virus, what all the things are there. Okay, it is obligate parasites and all. Nucleic acid component RNA or DNA, it already told. Nucleic acid makeup age of a virus is 5 to 40%, and the protein code. Okay. Sorry, this classification. Just a minute. Yes, 60 to 90%. I already told it, single standard, double standard, minus and plus single standard one will be there. Yeah, at least remember TMB, it is a single strand RNA. Okay. Alright. Important one. Cucumber mosaic, linear single strand RNA. Cucumber mosaic, IP mosaics and all. Circular, this one, single stranded DNA, that is in Gemini virus, Mumbai yellow mosaic virus, maize streak virus, and so on. Circular double stranded DNA you can see in case of cauliflower mosaic virus. Okay, remember at least. Protein, it is made up of protein coat. Individual unit is known as capsomer. Okay. Satellite virus, satellite നമ്മുടെ satellite ഒക്കെ പോലെ തന്നെയാണ് satellite virus. They are the small RNA genome and in a protein coat. This virus may be associated with another virus, helper virus or an extreme virus for multiplication and plant infection. It is there. They are known as satellite virus. Okay. Satellite RNA same way. Without protein coat, only the simple RNA will be there. They are the part with some other genes, other segments. In that cases, okay, that is a satellite RNA without a protein coat. Viroid, okay, they are the smaller entity. It is RNA is the one, single stranded RNA with the protein codes and all. It is movement of virus inside the plant. Moves one cell to another cell through plasmodesmata, which connected as a cell. Maybe they are carrying by insect vector, this one, vectors and all. This is a major virus vector relationship. Persistent, circular, propagative and all. Okay. Persistent, semi-persistent, non-persistent. Means persistent in the sense they will be there in the body of the insect. Virus in the body of the insect. Today also taken, it will be there after a period also you are able to. That is persistent. They are multiplying inside the body. Circulative also mostly they are this one near to what persistence manner only. Okay, circulative. They are circulating through the hemolymph of insect. Semi-persistent, non-circulative and non-persistent, non-circulative. Okay. This is a difference that is not required. Yeah, major vectors for this one, at least remember aphids is a leading one. It can transfer more than 250 plant viruses. Okay, aphids, right? So many vectors are there. Citrus recessiva, we have Toxopteras citricidas. Potato virus Y also myces versica, non-persistent manner. Banana mojito, at least remember this one. Maybe it is persistent manner, Pentelonia nigronervosa, banana mojito. In Kerala, very important this one. Okay, cardamom mosaic also, these two are. But one it is cardamom mosaic also Pentelonia nigra, but it is non-persistent manner. That is persistent manner. Banana mojito is persistent manner. Cucumber mosaic is non-persistent manner. These are the major leaf hoppers, Daphoditrix virens in case of rice virus, Nilapalva lugens in case of a grassy stunt virus. Isn't it? These two at least remember. Grassy stunt virus. Grassy stunt, rice tumbro, these two diseases. Whitefly, majority of the whitefly transmitting one through Babesia tabaci. Windy yellow vein, cotton leaf curl, mangrove leaf curl, tomato leaf curl, cassava. Yeah, it is vector Babesia. Thrips. Thrips is two species are thrips. Palmy or Frankniella. Okay, these two. Without with very close observation, we can see the thrips syndrome, but this symptomatic expression is much more higher. Okay, thrips and mealybug. Beetles not important, grasshopper. Mite transmitting virus, at least remember Asaria kajani, that is everybody know that. Pigeon pea sterility mosaic virus. Mite, pigeon pea sterility mosaic virus. According to the classification, this one virus transmission case of nematode, we have two group, Nepo and Net2, nematode transmitting polyhedral virus. Net2 means nematode transmitting tubular viruses. Nice. Siphenipia index, Siphenipia americanum. Okay, this is the case. Then coming to the next group, that is this is over. Classification, another thing, it's already told that we have a next group of pathogens. It's symptomatic of phytoplasma is there. So sesame pylori, eggplant brinjal little leaf, sugarcane grassy shoot, cotton lethal yellowing, sandal spike symptoms. Okay, tomato or papaya big bud also, that is a symptoms. Okay, spiroplasma only difference is helical molecules. Okay, they are culturable also. Diseases are citrus stub-borne disease, constant disease, rice yellow dot disease. Yeah, panoramic parasites are higher plants only. They are depending on the house plant for their food and all. You heard about that one, Loranthaceae, Convolvulaceae, Scrophulariaceae. Nothing but they are this example only. This is a stem parasite. Total parasite is Cuscuta. Semi or partial parasite is Loranthus. Stem parasite. Root parasite, total parasite is Orobanche, and semi or partial root parasite is Striga. Remember like that. Okay, that is the one. We have at least remember there this one. Some examples. Cuscuta campus trees and so on. Okay, partial, that is commonly as Loranthus. Dendrophthoia, ഫാമിലിയിൽ വരാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചിരുന്നത്. Complete broom rape or tokra, that is Orobanche species and all. Orobanche species. Yemile, this one, Asiatica. Okay, Asiatica. Striga Asiatica in case of hemi or partial semi-pensils. Sorghum, maize and all, it will be there. Some of the deficiency disorders I will give here little bit. Nitrogen, red leaf of cotton, that is example chlorosis in rice, red leaf of cotton in case of nitrogen, that is deficiency diseases and all. And potash, important one in case of carbohydrate protein synthesis, it as a catalyst for many reactions. If it is less, it will affect the health of them. Okay, right. Marginal dyeing of every marginal dyeing is by potash. One example is marginal dyeing of banana. Okay, blossom and rot of tomato in case of calcium. Magnesium deficiency in case of that is intravenal fluorosis.